got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
All right, 8 top, 10 bottom, perm cut, 10K gold for my guy Pat out of Canada. Good looking, Pat. See you in all the stories, all the posts, all that. I appreciate it, family. You got 2 sets. This is this gold set right here. We got the white gold set going into stone setting. We got a bunch of orders, guys, so bear with us. The diamond grills are generally taking about 4 to 5 weeks right now because we're pretty backed up on back orders. But we got you guys covered. Don't worry. We got the full staff. We're just overwhelmed and understaffed. But yeah, this is the 10 top, 10 bottom, my bad. 8 top, 10 bottom. As you guys can see, the 8 top matches up with the 10. It almost goes almost exactly to the end, as you see. So this is 8 on top, 10 on bottom. Bottom teeth are a little bit smaller, quite a bit smaller. As you can see, those front 2 teeth are much bigger than the front 2 on the bottom. So that's generally why they match up. You can see, like I said, 6 top generally matches up with 8. 8 will match up with 10. 10 will match up with 12, on and on and on and on. 4 will match up with 6, as you can see right there. The front 4 pretty much about the same width as the 6. So this is why a lot of our clients go with the less teeth on top. As you see, them perm cuts go all the way through. They cut all the way through the metal, but we keep the backing. So, sorry, I had to drop that so I can show you guys. Keep the backing, so full backs on all teeth, so these things will not break on you. But yeah, that's what the perm cuts is talking about, y'all. For anybody want to get on with the perm cuts, I got you. This is the 10K grill. Please do not ask me how much in comments. If you need the website link, it's right under Grillz Gold Perm Cuts. There's a whole category on the website for perm cuts. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tapping in. I appreciate all the love and support, you guys. These things is fitting like a glove. And we are so blessed to have some of the greatest clients in the world. My dude's all the way from Canada, copped 2 sets from us at once. So appreciate you, Pat L, Pat Low. You already know what it is, my dude. Thank you for tapping in. And I know you're going to jump in the comments with some love. Tell all your people out there in Canada about us too, Pat. We need the support. We need more people from Canada because Canada, for some reason about Canada, man, they love grills out there. But yeah, tap in, you guys, if you want to get on with the 10 top, 8 bottom perm cut. This will be going up on the website later. I appreciate you guys for the love and support. And I hope you guys have a blessed week, guys. My name is Fred the Jeweler, family jeweler, 3rd generation. Go see Fred. All right now. Peace out.